I'm going to do a deep cleaning of my walls. My nozzles are dirty. You can see the mold around my tub.
Here's the mold. I'm going to get rid of that in 30 minutes. This is my command strips that I have here. I'm going to put these on the side of my tub so it quit falling off. I don't feel like doing this today, but I have no choice. I have to get rid of that mold. I hate taking a bath in this jacuzzi tub and there's mold all around. So I'm going to show you a life hack, or should I say a cleaning hack, that's going to get rid of your mold around your tub. Let's remove everything here. Let's get this out of here. Ugh. Now I'm going to take the Clorox and I'm going to squirt it everywhere that the mold is at. The whole tub basically. Got the Clorox on there. Make sure it's on there pretty thick. Just use the whole bottle if you have to. Squirt it on there. And I'm going to do the back. I'm going to get this tub looking sparkling clean. Now I also have a little, these jets get a little dirty too, so what I'm going to do is squirt some around all the jets. Make sure it gets cleaned up in there, because they tend to collect dirt. So I'm going to squirt that. Okay. And I'm going to do the back ones. See the dirt? Squirt that on there. And there you have it. Do one more right here. This is how you get your tub clean. Okay? See, look at that. Look. See how I keep falling? I'm about to get to this next. Okay, while I get to this, I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and all the mold should be removed. So now I'm about to get my command strips and start working on this. My command strips are on. It's not perfect, but it'll do. This is better than nothing. It's better than hanging off the side of the dang on tub. Every time I try to go use the bathroom, it's falling off. I might move this up a little bit more. Yeah, I think I'll move that up a little bit more. I might leave it like this from now on. So let's go check on our mold. It's disappearing. It's been only 5 minutes. It's starting to dissolve. We'll come back in about 10 more minutes to see how it's doing.
And I came back about 15 minutes later, so altogether it's been 25-30 minutes. And there you see the mold has disappeared. Everyone, please use the Clorox Bleach Toilet Cleaner. Look at that. The wipes off easily. Look at that. The mold is gone. I could take my jacuzzi bath in a nice clean tub without having to worry about mold all around it. Look at that. Nice and clean. 30 minutes, your mold is gone. 30 minutes, your mold is gone, y'all. So now I'm going to clean around the jet. So now I'm going to clean around the jet. Make sure they're all nice and tidied up and clean. I'm going to clean the tub with the leftover toilet bowl cleaner. Clean my jets real good. I don't know what that is, so we're going to get that out of here. Clean my jets. Look at the dirt coming right off of it. All that dirt. So look how clean that is, guys. I'm doing this on live video. You see it for yourself. You see this for yourself, guys. Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner. You're going to see one piece of mold on my tub. So I'm going to go to the back, wipe off my back. Kids when they get in the tub, so I gotta hurry up and make this quick, make this nice and tidy. And I'm gonna show you my end result in 1.2 seconds. Look how shiny it even got that. I got that real shiny. I didn't even have to do much. Okay. And there you have it. Clorox Toilet Bowl Cleaner has sufficiently cleaned my mold and my tub. Look how look at the shine. You can see the shine now. First it was dull, now it's shiny. Look at the shine. Alright guys, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Tell me how it worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that post notification button for more kind of videos.